In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to create a password for your end-to-end encryption backup on WhatsApp while using it on your PC. Let's get started with the steps. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your PC to access the necessary settings for configuring your backup options. Next, click on the ellipsis icon located at the top of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Chat section and then select Chat Backup. To set up automatic backups, proceed to click on Auto Backup. Choose the frequency for your WhatsApp backups, whether daily, weekly, or monthly, and proceed with the setup. Now, locate the option for End-to-End Encrypted Backup and click on it. Then, click on Turn On to initiate the creation of an encrypted backup of your WhatsApp chats and media files, ensuring the security of your data. Following this, opt to protect your backup by setting up a password. It is essential to create a strong and secure password to safeguard your backup effectively. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process of securing your WhatsApp backup with the newly created password. Thank you for watching.